Hi, Mom, Sir. Good day to all of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself as a loving nanny, kind, responsible, trustworthy, proactive, hardworking, and that's me. My name is Jocelyn B. Garcia, 36 years old. I'm a widow and now a single mother of 3 children. Their ages is 16, 14, and 9 years old. I'm a high school graduate living in the Philippines looking for a job. I already have experience as a domestic worker in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia from 2016 to 2019. There are 5 members in the family, the mother, the father, and the 3 children. Their ages is 7, 4 years old, and 5 months. My main duty and responsibility is the safety for the 3 children, keep them clean, changing diaper for the small baby, send them to school, the 2 babies, and sometimes I help them to do their homework. When I go back home, I do my duty to clean the house, wash their clothes, ironing their clothes, and prepare their food again. My second experience was in Dubai, UAE from 2019 to 2021. There are 5 members in the family, the mother, the father, and the 3 children. Their ages is 5 years old, 3 years old, and 1 year old. We are 2 nannies in the family. My main duty and responsibility is to help the other nanny to the babies and clean the house, wash their clothes, ironing their clothes, and see the baby when they are playing. My third experience was in Kuwait from 2021 to 2024. They are 6 members in the family. The mother, the father, the parent of the mother, and the 2 children. The 2 children ages is 4 years old and 2 years old. My main duty and responsibility is the safety for the 2 children, keep them clean, give them nutritious food, send them to school, and sometimes I help them to do their homework. When I go back home, I do my duty to clean the house, wash their clothes, ironing their clothes. The parent of my madam, she's the one to cook our food. I will do my best to be a good nanny and a good helper in this family. If you choose me, I will do my best and I promise to give them unconditional love as they are my own. Again, my name is Jocelyn Garcia. Thank you and have a good day.